Unraveling the phrase, I was conned. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, I was conned. We'll look into its meaning, usage, and the context in which you might encounter it. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your language skills, understanding such phrases is key to mastering English. So, let's dive in. I was conned is a phrase that means someone has been deceived or tricked into either giving away something valuable, like money, or into believing something that is not true. The word, conned, comes from the longer term, confidence trick, where someone gains another's confidence for deceptive purposes. The history of the word is quite fascinating. Conned is derived from confidence schemes, which date back centuries. These schemes involve a trickster who would convince their victim to part with their money or valuables under false pretenses. When you say, I was conned, it's important to use it in the right context. It's usually used in informal situations, and it carries a negative connotation. You can use it to warn others or to share an experience where you were cheated. Let's look at some examples. I was conned into buying a fake watch. She felt embarrassed after realizing she was conned into donating money to a fake charity. And that wraps up our lesson for today on the phrase, I was conned. Remember, English is full of such idiomatic expressions, and learning them can be both fun and challenging. I hope you found this video informative and it helps you in your journey to becoming fluent in English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.